Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the screenshot not working on this device. So if you take a screenshot on a device, if you are not able to see the screenshot, if you are facing any problems on your screenshot, so let me show you how to fix this problem. So simply in this way, in this video, I am going to take a screenshot using volume down button and the power button. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. And if you go to the gallery, you can see the screenshot is here. So if you are not able to find your screenshot or the screenshot is not working, first of all, you need to restart your device. And also if you're taking the screenshot using the buttons, then first of all, you need to check the button functionality. Okay, so if you do this too, the problem will solve. So simply in this way, we can fix the screenshot not working issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.